Next, let us go to what are subsets. If A and B are two sets such that every element of set B is an element of set A, then set B is said to be the subset of A, which is symbolically written as B is a subset of A. Now here, when usually this symbol refers subset, so B is a subset of A, then you see a line below this which is actually trying to say that B is a subset or equal to A. That is, either B can be a subset of A or B can be equal to A. So whether it is a subset or equal to A, still it remains as a subset of A. So if every element of set B, what is the condition? Every element of set B should be an element of set A, then set B is said to be the subset of A, which is written this way. Now, how is it read as? It is read as B is a subset of or equal to A. B is a subset of or equal to A. This is how we read this, what is written symbolically. Now let us see an example where we have the set A containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B is having the elements 6, 7 and 8. What was the condition given to us here? That every element of set B should be an element of set A. So here, if you see here, elements in B are 6, 7 and 8. Are those elements of set A also? We see 6, 7, 8 here also. So since the elements, all the elements which are in set B are in set A, therefore B is a subset of A. So you see here, first we have the bigger set A, which contains the elements 1 to 8. Then we have the set B having the elements 6, 7, 8. Now if I represent the small set here B, which is having the elements 6, 7, 8, since all these elements are also present in set A, we can make set B as a part of set A. Why? Because set B has elements 6, 7, 8 and all the remaining elements other than 6, 7, 8 should be in set A. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We don't write these 3 because it is already here. So the remaining elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is written in this larger circle. So what are they saying here? We see that every element of set B is an element of set A, hence B is a subset of set A, because all these elements of set B are elements of set A also, therefore B is a subset of set A. What else are they saying? The concept of subset is well illustrated in the given Venn diagram. This is a Venn diagram, so you can see that because B is a part of set A, it is set B is a part of set A, therefore set B becomes the subset of set A. Now in your textbooks on page 8, we have some important points regarding a subset. What are they? Every set is a subset of itself. That is, if we are talking about set A will be a subset of its own self. A is a subset. I told you subset, and if the line which is written below means equal to. So A is a subset or equal to A. In this case, A is equal to A. So it's not only a subset, it is also equal to A. What is the second point? Empty set is a subset of every set. Empty set is represented like this, phi with a circle and a cut on it. So empty set is a subset of, here in this, if we take the example of set A, So this phi is a subset or equal to set A. Why it is a subset of every set? Because there are no elements in an empty set. So empty set is a subset of every set, whether it is any other empty set or whether it is a set which is having certain elements. Coming to the third point, if A is equal to B, then A is a subset or equal to B. That means if A and B, if set A and set B have equal elements, the same elements, and they are equal to each other, then set A is a subset or equal to B and B is a subset or equal to A. When will this be reversible? A is a subset or equal to B or B is a subset or equal to A only if these two sets A and B are equal to each other. And the last point, if A is a subset or equal to B and B is a subset or equal to A, then A equal to B. Now what is this third and fourth point? Here we said if A equal to B, then this happens. Now in fourth, what it is? If A is a subset or equal to B and B is a subset or equal to A, then A is equal to B. So these are reversible. If you say this condition, then this happens, or if you say take this as a condition, then this happens. Okay. So these are the few points we have to remember about subsets.